Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show here about help you how you got started to add an already installed game. And this is gonna help you a lot for everyone who wonder who was going about to have a progress throughout this moment once we are looking for adding that on Steam. So let's find out here. The best method that's gonna help you a lot for that. So all you have to do is to go to the bottom left corner on the page and click on add game, and once you click on add game, add non-game. Okay then, so you're gonna start to do this method, add a game and then add non-game. Non-game is non-Steam game, and this page should absolutely gonna start to be released in front of you. Let's see now. We're gonna have this in front of the page of the non-Steam. So here we are, guys. We have this page in front of that, be loading that kind of non-Steam, and you can actually start to add your programs, as you can see, which is really not have a problem at all for every single game that you have, for every single thing that you can have it in the program, and you can add it on your game, and that absolutely to add a selected program. So this is really my opinion to help you, by the way, guys, in the part where we actually go in, and I hope you guys is very helpful, and thank you for watching and good luck.